Hello everyone and welcome to AcadGuild. In this video we'll see how to work with lookup function. Let us see about the HLOOKUP. Now there are few limitations what we have seen in VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP. So VLOOKUP says you can go from only left to right but not from right to left. So that limitation, if I want to overcome, I'll use the function lookup function. So what lookup function says is, with the help of this column you can find out the values from this column. That means this should be a lookup vector, this would be your result vector. Okay, so if I want to find out what is the product for this description, so the description is flying range 110, so the product would be boom 8, boom 08. Same way, if I search for flying range 80, I should get the answer as boom 06. So what is the method? So function I'll be using as lookup function. Just have a look here. In the description, I've already created a drop down list with all the lookup values. Okay, so I don't have to type every now and then. Now simply I'll go to this product cell, okay, and I'll just type a function here, E equal to lookup. Okay, E equal to lookup. Now there are basically two methods by finding out the values. So let us see the first one. We have lookup value. That's my lookup value, comma. This lookup value belongs to this lookup vector. Okay, see, once I put comma, it's asking me lookup vector. So this cell number flying range is present in this column. That's a D column, comma. And now what do you want the result vector? Okay, so result vector, definitely I want the product. Okay, that's it. So three parameters you have to use in the lookup function. And once you press enter, you'll get as boom 02. So if you see, flying range 20 has the product as boom 02. Let us verify. If I click on the drop down, select as flying range 70, I'll be getting the answer as boom 05. You see, boom 05. One more. If I click on the number as let's say 160, I'll be getting as boom 09. If you see, 160 has boom 09. So it's very easy to go from right to left using this lookup function, and same applies from bottom to top in the HLOOKUP. HLOOKUP says you can go from top to bottom, but in lookup you can go from bottom to top. Okay, all the conditions are valid here. Now there are few rules which you need to take care, but before that, once again, how to work on this lookup. E equal to lookup, that's my lookup value, comma, this is my lookup vector, comma, and this is my result vector. See, I'm reading from here, that's a result vector, and close the bracket. Once you press enter, you'll be getting answer as boom 09. Now there are few rules, as I said, for the lookup, like we had for VLOOKUP, HLOOKUP. What are the rules here? The first rule says lookup vector should be sorted in ascending order. This is my lookup vector. It should always be sorted in the ascending order. So if you see, that's the reason 10, 110 and 160. These are some odd arrangement, but they are actually in the ascending order. Okay, that's the ascending order. Second rule says lookup vector should have unique values. Now, what is a lookup vector? This is my lookup vector, and if you see, all the values in this lookup vector are unique. They don't have any duplicate values. Okay, so these are basic two rules which you have to follow if you're trying to use this lookup function here, right? So I hope you have understood how to work on this lookup, and that's all for this video. Hey guys, if you like the video, please support us by clicking on the like button and subscribe the channel for further new upcoming videos on Excel. Thank you.
AcadGuild. Average is dead.